Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and guide you through the remaining steps of the adjustment process. From fine-tuning the air-fuel mixture to adjusting the idle speed, we'll cover all the necessary steps to get your engine running smoothly. Get ready to complete your adjustment and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. Step-by-step guide to adjusting a carburetor. Tinkering with your carburetor might sound intimidating, but with the right guidance, it's a task you can tackle on your own. Here's a step-by-step breakdown to help you fine-tune your carburetor like a pro. Step 1. Locate adjustment screws. The first step is to identify the adjustment screws on your carburetor. These screws are usually located on the side of the carburetor and control the air-fuel mixture and idle speed. Refer to your vehicle's manual to pinpoint the exact location of these screws. Step 2. Warm up the engine. Before making any adjustments, start your engine and let it warm up to its normal operating temperature. This ensures that the components expand and operate as they would during regular use, providing a more accurate adjustment. Step 3. Adjust the idle speed. Once your engine is warm, locate the idle speed screw on the carburetor. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the screw clockwise to increase the idle speed or counterclockwise to decrease it. Find the sweet spot where the engine runs smoothly at idle. Step 4. Adjust the air-fuel mixture. Next, find the air-fuel mixture screw. Turning this screw adjusts the ratio of air to fuel in the carburetor. Fine-tune this setting by listening to the engine sound and observing the exhaust. Aim for a smooth and steady idle without any sputtering or stalling. Step 5. Fine-tune the carburetor. After adjusting the idle speed and air-fuel mixture, it's time to fine-tune the carburetor for optimal performance. Test drive your vehicle to ensure smooth acceleration, consistent idling, and efficient fuel consumption. Make minor adjustments as needed until you achieve the perfect balance. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can confidently adjust your carburetor and optimize your vehicle's performance without the need for professional assistance. Remember, patience and attention to detail are key when fine-tuning your carburetor for a smoother ride. Testing and final adjustments. After performing the initial adjustments on your carburetor, the next crucial step is to test drive the vehicle to assess how well it is performing. This hands-on approach allows you to fine-tune the carburetor settings for optimal performance based on real-life driving conditions and feedback from the vehicle's behavior. Test drive the vehicle. Taking the vehicle for a test drive is essential to evaluate how the adjustments made to the carburetor are affecting its performance. Start by driving the vehicle at different speeds and under various loads to gauge its responsiveness, acceleration, and overall smoothness. Pay attention to any hesitations, stalling, or rough idling, as these could indicate the need for further adjustments. During the test drive, listen for any unusual noises, such as knocking or backfiring, which could signal a rich or lean fuel mixture. Additionally, observe the exhaust smoke to ensure it is clear and not emitting black, white, or blue smoke, which can indicate running too rich or too lean. Fine-tuning for optimal performance. Once you have completed the test drive and identified areas that need improvement, it's time to fine-tune the carburetor for optimal performance. Start by making small adjustments to the air-fuel mixture and idle speed to address any issues noted during the test drive. Use a tachometer to set the idle speed to the manufacturer's specifications and adjust the air-fuel mixture screws in small increments to achieve the smoothest running engine. Remember to make one adjustment at a time and test the vehicle after each change to assess its impact on performance. Continuously fine-tune the carburetor settings until you achieve a balance of smooth idling, responsive acceleration, and efficient fuel consumption. It may take several adjustments and test drives to dial in the carburetor settings perfectly, but the time invested will result in a vehicle that performs at its best. Common mistakes to avoid. When adjusting a carburetor, it's crucial to steer clear of common blunders that could impede the tuning process. By sidestepping these pitfalls, you can ensure a smoother and more effective adjustment experience. Over-tightening adjustment screws. One prevalent mistake many encounters when adjusting a carburetor is over-tightening the adjustment screws. This error can lead to irreversible damage to the carburetor components, resulting in poor engine performance. It's vital to remember that gentle and precise adjustments are key when fine-tuning a carburetor for optimal operation. Avoid the temptation to over-tighten the screws, as it can cause more harm than good in the long run. Ignoring manufacturer's guidelines. Another misstep to avoid is overlooking the manufacturer's guidelines for carburetor adjustment. Each carburetor model has specific recommendations and settings provided by the manufacturer. Ignoring these guidelines can result in improper tuning, leading to engine issues and decreased performance. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and specifications to ensure that you are adjusting the carburetor correctly and within the recommended parameters. By steering clear of these common mistakes, you can navigate the carburetor adjustment process more effectively and optimize your engine's performance without risking costly damage or inefficiencies. After following the step-by-step methods for adjusting a carburetor in this guide, you should feel more confident in tackling this task on your own. Remember, adjusting a carburetor can seem daunting at first, but with practice and patience, you can master this essential skill. By understanding the different components of a carburetor and how they work together, you can ensure that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Keep learning and practicing. The key to becoming proficient in carburetor adjustments is to keep learning and practicing. Experiment with small adjustments and observe how they impact the performance of your engine. By familiarizing yourself with the intricacies of carburetor tuning, you'll be better equipped to handle any issues that may arise in the future. Regular maintenance is key. To maintain optimal engine performance, make sure to incorporate carburetor adjustments into your regular maintenance routine. By keeping your carburetor in top condition, you can enhance fuel efficiency, prevent engine stalling, and prolong the lifespan of your engine. Remember, a well-maintained carburetor is essential for a smooth and trouble-free driving experience. Consult a professional if needed. If you encounter persistent issues or feel overwhelmed by the carburetor adjustment process, don't hesitate to seek help from a professional mechanic. They have the expertise and tools to accurately diagnose and address any carburetor-related problems. Sometimes, it's best to leave complex adjustments to the experts to ensure the optimal performance of your vehicle. Enjoy the benefits of a well-tuned carburetor. By mastering the art of carburetor adjustments, you can enjoy the benefits of improved engine performance, better fuel economy, and smoother acceleration. With patience, practice, and a willingness to learn, you can become proficient in adjusting a carburetor and maintain your engine in top condition for years to come. As we conclude our two-part series on carburetor adjustments, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by tackling simple repairs like this yourself, you can save time and money while gaining a deeper understanding of your vehicle. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and DIY with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.